Let's make another bleach spray t-shirt, but this time for St. Patrick's Day. If at the end of this video you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with family and friends. The supplies you need are a green t-shirt, a St. Patrick's Day sign, bleach, and a spray bottle. All three of these I purchased at the Dollar Tree. You also need a little tiny bit of water. The first step is to pour bleach into the spray bottle. I filled it to about a quarter of the bottle. And add about a half a cup of water. Now place the sign on your t-shirt. Now for the fun part, spray your t-shirt with the bleach. The bleach won't change the color of the shirt immediately, so make sure you spray all the way around your sign. Remove the sign and allow the shirt to dry for a couple of hours. The final step is to hand wash it or throw it in the washing machine by itself, and then allow it to dry, and this is what it should look like. Hope you liked this video and enjoy wearing your t-shirt for St. Patrick's Day. Thank you for watching.